Hi, I'm Blaine with BBQGuys.com. Today we're going to smoke some spicy drumsticks on Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett Portable Pellet Grill. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do for this recipe is soak our drumsticks in buttermilk and hot sauce overnight. This was actually a tip from my buddy Grill Master Randy. This Green Mountain Grill is Wi-Fi capable, and the app allows you to easily set and monitor the temperature of your food as well as the grill's ambient temperature. Alright, let's make our dry rub. Just add kosher salt, white pepper, black pepper, ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, red cayenne, and brown sugar. Now just mix it all together. Now just wash off the buttermilk and pat the chicken dry. Drizzle the chicken with olive oil and thoroughly apply the dry rub. Let them rest in the rub for 15 to 20 minutes, letting the seasonings meld together. Go ahead and set your grill to 325. We're going to use applewood pellets for this recipe. Now it's time to hit the grill. After about 10 minutes, go ahead and flip your drumsticks. And once you get to the 20-minute mark, start watching the internal temperature of the chicken. When it reaches 165, go ahead and take the chicken off the grill. And let them rest for about 10 minutes before eating. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great recipes. And remember, at BBQGuys.com, we smoke the competition.